Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a dictionary application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this video, we are also going to learn how to fetch an external API from the third-party API. Okay, so I have already built an example to show you. So let me go to the example and then I will explain you what I have already built and what we are going to learn in this example. So let me go to the example now. See, this is the example. It has got a search box and a button. So in the search box, you have to search for a word. So like search, I am searching now. Discovery, and then you have to click on the search button. Okay, so I am clicking on the button now. See, it has got each and everything. This is the name, this is the word name, something discovered, no antonyms found, no synonyms found. This latest discovery should eventually lead to much better treatments for disease. And it has got a audio player also. So let me click on the play now button.
Discovery.
See, as you can see, it is saying
Discovery.
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 And part of a speech is noun. Search a different word now. Make, brand or kind, model, no antonyms found, making. What make a car do you drive? Okay, it has got a
Make.
see,
Make.
the audio player is saying make.
Make.
Okay, part of a speech is noun. Search something different. Mobile. See, a kinetic sculpture or decorative arrangement made of items hanging so that they can move independently from each other. No antonyms found, no synonyms found, no example found, no audio found. Part of a speech is noun. So in this video, we are going to learn how to make this application API, this application this dictionary application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So guys, let's get started now. But before starting of the video, guys, I would like to request you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos so that it is going to motivate me to make each awesome videos on each and every topic of web development and web designing. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like all my videos so that it is going to help me, it is going to give me confidence, motivation to make videos on each and every topic of web development and web designing. So guys, let's get started and build this dictionary application. Okay, so in this video I have used some different techniques, some different tools. So let me refresh this page now. As you see, you don't have entered anything here. Okay, and whenever I will click on this button without putting something into this search box, it is going to alert. Okay, so here I have not used a conventional alert box. Okay, rather I have used a different alert box. Okay, see, it is saying a different alert box. Okay, so this is the alert I am using in this video. Okay, this is known as Suite Alert 2. I will make a separate video on this, but as of now I am using this alert in our project. Okay, here, and this is the dictionary API I have used in this application. Okay, you have to register yourself and then you will get an API key. So in this video I have used two different tools. This is the Suite Alert and this is the dictionary API. Okay, so here I have not used conventional alert. Okay, see, it is a different alert box. I will make a different video, I will make a separate video on this later on, but I have not used a conventional alert for this. So this is the Suite Alert and this is the API we are going to use in this application. So guys, let's get started now, and please, I am requesting you again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos so that it will give me confidence to make awesome videos on each and every topic of web development and web designing. So guys, let's get started now and build this dictionary application now. So I am going to my code editor now, create a new page, give it a name as dictionary.html. Save this page now. So HTML code with ER Prabhat Pandit. So in this video I have used bootstrap also, so that I have to write minimal CSS. So first of all, let me include CDN link for bootstrap and jQuery and JavaScript. Okay, so I have already copied it here and pasted it here. So let me copy it from here and paste it into our file. So go into the head section and paste it here. Okay, I will explain you each and every link, don't worry, just be there till last, and I am sure you are going to learn a lot of things from this video tutorial. Okay, so just be there. So as you can see, this is the style sheet for bootstrap. Okay, this is the link for jQuery. Okay, this is the link for popup.js for JavaScript for bootstraps, I mean modal, and this is the bundle for bootstrap. Okay, so and this is the CDN link for switch alert. This is the link for switch alert. Okay, so let me show you again what I am talking about here. This is the link for CDN link for switch alert. So let me show you it again, the alert. This is the this is the CDN for this switch alert. Okay, so just go down, try me, click on try me. This is the alert. I will make a separate video on this later on. As of now, we are only going to use this alert into our this project now. Okay, so guys, let's get started now. Create a div, give it a class as container, margin top 5, close this div. Okay, so I would like to request you guys, please be there till last, and I'm sure you're going to understand each and everything from this video. Okay, so just be there till last. So inside this div, create another div, give it a class as call md6, call excel6, mx auto, and give call sm12, give call xs12, and give margin top 3 and margin bottom 3. This is all predefined bootstrap classes, guys. So I hope you know what is bootstrap and why we use this into our project. Okay, so inside this div, create input field, give it a type as search. Okay, and give placeholder as please enter a word to search. Okay, and give class also. So give form control, give input value, give id also. Okay, as input value. Okay, so inside this input box, create a div, give it a class as mx auto, mt3, mb3, and text center. Close this div now, and inside this div, create a button. Okay, so give it a class as search button, give id also as search button. Okay, give class btn info. Okay, and close this button now. Okay, button, give type also as button. Fine. So give the text as search now. Okay, so search now, give to br here, line break, br, give to br also. Okay, so put br and br here also. Okay, so now inside this, below this div, create another div, give it a class as data, deflex, justify content as center, and give id also as data. Okay, close this div now. So we have created this div. Okay, we have created this div to populate data using JavaScript. Okay, let me show you what I am talking about. So whenever you will search a word, so you are seeing this data, okay, being populated using JavaScript. That's why we have given this div. Okay, so we will populate data here using JavaScript. Okay, the search result we will display here like this, we will display search result using this div. Okay, that's why I have given this div. Okay, so save your code, open this file in the browser now. So as of now we are able to only see this search box and the button. Okay, nothing else, nothing more. So we will populate the data using JavaScript like this. Whenever a user is going to search a word, okay, then only we will populate the data using JavaScript. So for that, let's go to the code and go to the bottom of your page, create a script tag now and start writing JavaScript. Okay, so now I'm going to write JavaScript, guys. So just pay attention, just be here, and I'm sure, okay, you are going to learn each and everything, you are going to understand each and everything from this video. Just be there till last. Create a variable as input. Okay, document dot query selector. Okay, and we are going to select this input field. As of now we are grabbing the word the user has entered into this input box. Okay, we are taking this using its id. Okay, so paste it here. So let me explain you one more time. We are targeting this input field. Okay, as of now we are grabbing the input, the search, the word, the value user has entered into this search box. Okay, using this input value. Okay, again create a variable as btn dot document dot query selector, and now I'm going to grab this button. Okay, this button with its id. Okay, with its id. So paste it here. Okay, and now going to create a variable for this antonyms, synonyms and example. Okay, no antonyms found, synonyms is Bible, and no example found. Okay, so just be here, I will explain you each and everything in deep. Okay, in details. So antonyms, initialize it with nothing. Okay, create another variable as synonyms, give nothing, close this, and now I am going to grab this data, this div, okay, so that we can place the content here like this. The search result we can place here also. Okay, so I'm going to grab this data now using its id. Okay, its id attribute. Okay, so create a var, give data text equal to document dot query selector. As it is a id, we have to provide hash and the value. Okay, close this. So if you have got any kind of difficulties understanding this tutorial, guys, feel free to ask me in the comment box and I will clear all your doubts, all your queries. Okay, so just be here, and I don't think you would be requiring to ask me anything. I will explain you each and everything here only, so you don't have to ask again and again. So now I am going to create a function. So give a function name as search word. So this is the function body. So create a variable now as dollar input value. Okay, equal to this input. Okay, this input dot its value. Okay, so close this, and in this video I'm going to use JavaScript fetch method. Okay, so this fetch method takes at least one primary parameter, which is known as the URL. Okay, the URL from which we are going to fetch something, we are going to request something. Okay, in this video this is the URL, this is the URL we will use, okay, in our fetch method. So fetch okay, so let me go to the previous example and let me copy the URL. Okay, so this is the URL I have to use. Okay, this is the URL we are going to use. So paste it here, guys, and if everything is okay, everything is fine, okay, in this URL, okay, then it is going to return a promise. Okay, it is going to return a promise in the form of response. So I am creating a fat arrow function here, response.json. okay, here I am converting the JSON object into JavaScript object. Okay, so if everything is okay with this URL, if everything is okay with this URL, then only it is going to return a promise. Okay, then only it is going to return a promise. And I am doing what I am doing here, I am converting this JSON object into JavaScript object. Okay, so if everything is okay with this promise, if everything is okay with this promise, okay, if the status code is 200, okay, if everything is okay with this promise, okay, and if status code is 200, okay, then only we are going to get data. Okay, then only we are going to get data. So I am creating a fat arrow function here. So let me console this data, okay, and show you what this data contains. So console dot log and this data. Okay, so save your file, save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. So refresh your page now, open your console, go to the console and btn. Let me check one more. Okay, sorry guys, I have to put dollar here, dollar sign. Okay, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Again I got one more error, guys. Okay, I've got, yeah, fine. Okay guys, save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. So now no error. Okay, so search a word as discovery. Okay, and click the button search now. Okay, it is taking time, guys, just hang on. Let me check input value. Okay guys, we have to, first we have to provide the event listener on this button. Sorry guys, I forgot to provide event listener on this button, and I have already clicked it and I am waiting for the response. Sorry guys, I have to provide event listener on this button now. So just copy this and I have to provide event listener, guys. So paste this dot add event listener, which will be click event. Okay, so event, now I am going to create a fat arrow function here. Okay, and I am going to check if key dot key equal to enter. Okay, and if this input dot value equal to null, then we will alert me. We have to create a function called alert me. Okay, so just and return alert. Okay, return false. So save this code, and again on this button copy this code, guys, because we are going to attach again event listener on this button only. Okay, so this input, this input not event listener is click. So if event listener is key up. Okay, so button dot add event listener click if input dot value dot length is does not equal to what, 0. Okay, and if input dot value does not equal to empty, then we will run a function. Which function? This function. Okay, this function we are going to run, this function. Okay, and we'll return true. Okay, so okay, and now we have to create this alert me function. Okay, so go down, function name is this. We don't need any argument. Okay, so remove this, and inside the function body, just use sol dot fire. Okay, close this, open this. Please enter a word to search. Okay, so this is it, guys. Save your code now, and later we will write our code for each and everything. As of now, save your code, go to the browser and see the output. Refresh your page now. So we got an issue again here. Let me just check this out. Invalid left hand side in assignment. Okay, so I just have to check it again one more time. Key up dot event input dot add events listener key up. Okay, and if input dot value. Okay, sorry guys, it should be double equal to. Okay, so now save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, no issues, no error at all. So as of now, don't put anything and click the button search now. Okay, and see the output. We got an error here while clicking on the button. Input is not defined. Input is not defined. Okay, sorry guys, I just forgot to put $sign. I am making a lot of mistake here. No issue, we learn only from the mistakes only. So be happy that you are making mistakes. Okay, but we worried when you are not making a single mistakes. So be happy. Refresh your page now. So I have already saved my code, just refreshing the page now. Okay, go to the console and don't put anything and click the button search now. Okay, I am clicking the button search now without putting anything into the search box. We are getting nothing. Let me check just why. Let me just check why I'm getting nothing. Okay, it should be capital S. It should be a capital S guys. See here, it is a capital S. Okay, and I was given a small s. So capital S. Save your code now. Go to the browser and refresh your page. Don't put anything in the search box. Click on the button now. Again I am getting nothing. Let me just check this. Yeah, it's working fine. Alert me. Okay, btn dot add event listener. Click if input dot length, if input dot value dot length does not equal to, okay, does not equal to blank. Okay, and input dot value dot length does not equal to me check it guide again. Length, okay, equal to 0. So input dot add event listener, input dot add event listener key up, okay, and input dot button dot add event listener click event input dot value dot length. If input dot value dot length then okay, then we have to alert this, okay, and return false, okay. If input dot value dot length is empty and input dot value dot length is equal to 0, means there is nothing in the input box, okay. This line says if there is nothing in the search box, in this search input field, okay, in this search input field, then alert me function will run, then this function will run, okay. So just save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page, and don't put anything in the box, search box. Click the button now. See, it's worked now, it is working fine now. Click OK, it is working fine now. So let's just put something now in this search box and then click the button. So discovery, okay, so that's fine. Now again we have to write a event. So add event listener click if input dot value dot length does not equal to empty, does not equal to 0, and input dot value dot length does not equal to empty, okay, does not equal to empty, then we will run this function, okay, then we will run this function, okay. Just paste it here and return true, okay. Save your code now. See, if this line is for checking that if this input box contains nothing, then only we will run this function alert me, and this code is line of code is for if there is something in the input box, if user has inputted something in the input box, okay, then only this code, this block of code will run, okay, this function will run, okay. So save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. Don't put anything in the input box, click the button now, it is working fine, we are getting the alert, and put something now in the search box. So discovery, click the button now. See, we got the response from the server now. Here we got the response, okay. See, we got the data, this is the license, this is the meanings, okay, it is an array. This data is also an array, okay, this data is also an array. We got the phonetic, we got the phonetics. This phonetics is an array of 2 element, okay, 0 element and first element, okay. It has got audio, it has got text, source URL, license. We got the source URL also, and we got the word also. The word is discovery, and here is also its discovery. So we got the data, but remember one thing, this data is also an array, okay, this data is also an array. So we have to access each and everything using array method only, okay. So remember one thing always here, this data is also in the form of array, okay. So guys, we got the response. Now it's time to put each and everything like this, okay. So just go to your code and start writing your code. Go to the search board function Okay, and below this console log data, start writing your code now. Okay, console log data. I will console each and everything to show you. Okay, so as I already told, this data is also in the form of an array. Okay, this data is also is in the form of an array, as you can see here. This is an array. Okay, so fine, we have already console the data. Now console dot log, we are going to console each and everything here. I know this video is going to be little longer, but I would still say it is worth watching this video. You will get a lot of things from this video to learn. Okay, so just be there till last. As I already said, this is an array, so we have to put 0 dot part of speech. Okay, and console this, copy this and paste it here for 3-4 times. Okay, so now I'm going to grab data.meanings, okay, 0, copy this and paste it here for 3 times or 4 times. Okay, according to your need. Okay, so I am trying to show you here as much as thing possible, but you can only make this for your word, but I am going to show you each and everything. Okay, so meanings dot definitions, it is also an array, so put 0 dot definitions. Okay, again meaning dot antonyms, it is also an array, so put 0. Okay, meaning dot 0, it is meanings, it is a synonyms, so zero, antonyms and synonyms. Okay, so synonyms. Okay, so meanings, synonyms, synonyms. Okay, antonyms and synonyms. So synonyms, put 0 and console.log data dot phonetics okay, 1 dot audio. Okay, save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, go to the console, put something as discovery. Okay, click the button now. See, we got something. This is the noun, something discovered, and no antonyms and no synonyms. Okay, so give make, search it, see, it has got noun, brand or kind, model, no no synonyms, no antonyms, and synonyms is making, and we got the audio also. Okay, so it's time to put each and everything inside this container. Okay, so let's do that, guys, now. Okay, so create a variable now as antonyms equal to data dot antonyms. Copy this from here. Okay, and paste it here. Close this. So now I'm going to grab this data, this div. Okay, this div. So go down and dot inner HTML equal to backtick. We have to create a div now. Create a div, close this also at the same time, and div, give it a class as card, give it a class as card, border, info, div flex, justify content center, and MB3. Okay, put it here, save this, and inside this div, close this div now. Inside this div, create another div, give it a class as card, header, card header, and BG transparent, and border success. Close this div now again. Okay, so remember, whenever you are opening a div, you have to close the div at the same time. Otherwise, once you forget, you will face a lot of difficulties, guys. So just remember this always. So create a div inside this, give it a class as card, body, and text secondary. Okay, so close this div now, and inside this div, create h5. Okay, and give it a class as card title. Okay, so give it a class as card title, and close this h5 also, h5. Okay, close this h5 also, and inside this h5 we are going to write data. Okay, so we are going to put this data dot word. Okay, this data dot. Okay, let me put this inside string literals. Okay, so this is known as string literal, this is also known as string interpolation. Okay, so put dot word to uppercase. Okay, so close this, and now inside below the h5 create a p tag, give it a class as card text Okay, and close this p now and create template literals dollar open and curly braces and give data dot, copy this from here and put it here. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Guys. So okay, now we have to put equal double pipe here and we have to put pipe here, definition. Okay, so again below this p create another p, give it a class as card text, close this p now and dollar open and curly braces and give as, copy this data from here. Okay, so paste it here now, give pipe and give also no antonyms found. Okay, found. So guys, this line says if this data is defined. Okay, this line says if this data is defined then only show it here, otherwise if it is not defined then show this data. Okay, this is a or condition here. Okay, this is known as or condition. Okay, so if this data is defined, okay, then show this here, or this data is not defined, then show this text here, no antonyms found. Okay, no antonyms found. So again copy this para and paste it here. So now this is for synonyms, copy these synonyms and paste it here. This line again says if this data is defined, if synonyms is defined then show it here, if not then show no synonyms found. Okay, no synonyms found. This is known as inline or condition. Okay, I am doing here inline or condition. Okay, if synonyms is defined then show it here, if it is not then show no synonyms found. Okay guys, so again below this p, copy this p and paste it here and change the data. Okay, meaning dot definition, copy this meaning dot definition, copy this and paste it here, dot example. Okay, otherwise show no example found, Okay, close this p. Okay, so as of now just save your code and let's check the browser in the output now. So just save your code. As of now go to the browser and refresh your page now. Okay, so go to the console first. We are getting an error here, let me just check it. Okay, here I have given 2 dots, so it should be only one always. Save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page now. Yeah, no error at all. Search discovery. Okay, and click the button now. See, we got something here. The word is discovery, something discover, no antonyms found, no synonyms found. This latest discovery should eventually lead to much better treatments for disease. Go to the console, open this and see if it has got any antonyms or synonyms. Okay, if it has got any antonyms or synonyms. So open this. This is antonyms. See, it has got nothing. Go to the synonyms. It has also got nothing. Definitions. It has got the definitions. Okay, so okay, this is the definitions. This is the latest discovery should eventually lead to much better treatments for disease. Okay, so guys, we are getting each and everything here. Fine. So now again, let's go to the code now and start writing other stuffs. Okay, this div, this div, this div, cut this div, go to top and paste it here and copy this data dot word, copy this, paste it here, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Make, search it now. Yeah, now we are getting like this. Okay, see, no antonyms found, no antonyms found. Go to the meaning, phonetic, antonyms, nothing is there, and synonyms is there. Making, okay, manufacturing, there are lots of synonyms are there. See, all these are synonyms for make. Okay, so all these are synonyms for make, but there is nothing in antonyms. Okay, it is blank. Okay, so we are getting our desired result, desired output. Okay, discovery. Yeah, so now let's get started, guys. Go to your code and start writing now. So now we have to put audio player, okay, for the word. So we have to put audio player. So create a P, give it a class as audio. Okay, audio, close this P now, close this P. So inside this P we are going to define audio sources. Okay, so audio controls. Okay, close this audio tag now, close this, and inside this give source, give source as source equal to src. We have to define src here. Okay, and give type as audio and OGG. Okay, and again define source src. Later we will define src and give type as audio. Through the audio tag guys, we can play audio, ठीक है, mp3 over our website, okay, using audio tags, okay, using audio controls. We can play audio tag in our website. We can play mp3 in our website, okay. So give mpeg, okay, and we have to define now source. So we have to define now source. So copy this data array and paste it here. I am going to use string literals, okay. Put data dot phonetics, okay, 1 dot audio, okay, and put the same thing here also, and put, your inside the audio tag put one thing, one text, your browser does not support the audio element, okay. So what I mean here guys, for the browser, if it supports this audio player, okay, if the browser will support this audio player, okay, for this source will be compiled, okay, for this source will be compiled, okay, this source will be compiled. And for the browser who does not support this audio tag, okay, as of now, for the browser who does not support this audio tag, for this you will be able to see this text, okay, your browser does not support the audio element, okay guys. So nothing fancy, nothing rocket science. So okay, and inside this, below this audio, below this create another div, give it a class as card, give it a class as card. Before that guys, let me explain you one more thing, okay. I'm sorry, I forgot to explain what is this, okay. Data dot phonetic dot audio, okay. So let me go to the console now. Open the console first. See here we are getting, go to the phonetics, here we are getting the audio, this is the audio, okay, this is the audio. So this is data dot phonetics, okay, this is also an array. So we are taking the first array, okay, we are leaving this 0 and we are taking this first element. So this is the phonetic dot first and we are taking its audio element, okay, this audio, okay,
incoming call from
this audio, okay guys. So this is the explanation. Again, now continue with this code guys. So give the class as card footer, okay, bg transparent and border success, okay, and give part of speech, okay, part of speech colon, give data dot meaning dot part of speech, copy it from here, okay, copy this and paste it here and close this div, okay. So if now we are done with this code, and in case if anything wrong happen, okay, in case if anything wrong happen, like the word we are searching here does not exist over the API, over the dictionary API. Okay, so for this we have to write a catch. So dot catch. Okay, catch. Here I am creating a fat arrow function. Okay, close this, open this, console.log e.message, or we can also alert here. Okay, we can also alert here. So let me just copy one thing from this. Okay, let me just copy one thing from this. Okay guys, copy it from and paste it here. So I'm just pasting bootstrap alert box. Okay, code. So data.inner HTML. Okay, could not find the word. Okay, so save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, search water. Okay, search water. See, we got this. This is the definition, this is the synonym, no synonyms found, this is the antonyms, and this is the example. Okay, so we got our result and there is no error also. So now let me search something which is not there in this dictionary API. Okay, this is the API I am using here, guys. Just remember, you have to go there and you have to register yourself, then only you will get your API key. Okay, so now I am searching something which does not exist in the dictionary. So search some random word. This is the random word I am searching. I am clicking on the button now. See, we got the alert, could not find the word. Okay, so here it is saying I am using bootstrap alert box. Okay, this is the bootstrap alert. Okay, so this is saying could not find the word. Okay, so if you want you can put the word here also. Okay, if you want you can put the word here also. So just put the word here also if you want. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, refresh your page, search some random words. See, we could not find the word. The word you have, the text you have spelled it here. Okay, so search now, search something like computer. See, we got the computer. This is the computer. A person employed to perform computations, one who computes. No antonyms found. Computer, no example found, and it has got audio player also. So let me click on the audio player now.
Computer.
See, it is saying computer.
Computer.
Oh, we got the error here, guys. Part of speech, it has got error. Let me just check this. Part of speech, yeah, we have to put inside the string literal, guys. Sorry, I forgot to put it inside this. So save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page now. Okay, now put fan. Okay, see, could not find the word fan. Put fish. Fish, a cold-blooded vertebrate animal that lives in water, moving with the help of fins and breathing with gills. No antonyms found. Dong, salmon is a fish. No code, no audio file for this. Part of speech is noun. Okay, for this fish there is no audio file. Okay, so let me show you also. I know this video is getting longer and longer, but guys, my motto is to explain each and everything to you guys so that you won't face any kind of difficulties today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. So as I can see, there is no audio file this. So go here and open this, go to the phonetics, see there is no audio file here. Okay, so there is no audio file here. If for this one, for this phonetic 0 and 1, for this one I am getting no audio file. Okay, if I am going to change my code little bit, okay, then I will got the audio file for this fish also. Okay, so let me go to the code and let me change a little bit, okay, into my code. I'm going to my code and I'm changing this to 0 and changing this to 0. Okay, so a little bit of change, I don't know why, and change this to 0. Save your code, go to the browser, search again fish, refresh your page now and search again fish. See, for the small change I got the audio file also. Okay, so
fish,
see fish.
fish,
Okay, so my motto is to explain each and everything to you guys. I know the video is getting longer, but I don't care. My motto is to explain you each and everything from the video. Okay, so guys, I hope you have understood this video, you have learned something from this video, this video tutorial. So guys, as you know, we have come to an end now. So I hope guys you have learned a lot from this video. If you have any kind of issues, any kind of difficulties understanding this video, feel free to ask me a question in the comment section. I will clear all your doubts, all your queries. So guys, thank you for watching this video and thank you for being there till last. As you all know, my all video is dedicated to someone who is very close to my heart, who is very close to my emotions. Thank you guys for watching this video, and at last I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos so that it is going to give me confidence, it is going to give me motivation to make awesome videos on each and every topic of web development and web designing. Thank you guys. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.